How to use Binance API keys. Step by step for developers and traders. Are you ready to automate your crypto trading, run custom bots, or track your portfolio in real time? With Binance API keys, you can access your trading account programmatically, just like the pros. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to generate and secure your API keys and how to use them safely. An API key is like a password for your trading app or bot. It allows software to communicate with Binance on your behalf, whether it's to place orders, check balances, or read trade history. Binance provides two keys, the API key and the secret key. Never share your secret key publicly. Log into your Binance account, hover over your profile, and select API Management. Choose a label for your new key, like My Trading Bot, then click Create. You'll be asked for 2FA verification, including your email and authenticator app. After that, your new API key and secret will be generated. Before using your key, make sure to configure its permissions. Binance allows fine-grained control. You can allow or deny spot trading, futures trading, reading account info, and more. If you're only monitoring balances, disable trading functions. Always use the Restrict Access by IP option for better security. Let's walk through a quick example in Python using the Python Binance library. Install it via pip, import the client, and authenticate using your API key and secret. Now you can pull account balances or place trades with just a few lines of code. Remember, never hardcode your secret keys into scripts. Use environment variables. Many traders use platforms like 3, Pionex, or their own bots to automate trading. When integrating, simply paste your API and secret keys into the platform's API setup screen. Always check the required permissions and only enable what's necessary. Let's talk security. Never share your API key. Use the IP whitelist feature to prevent unauthorized access. Rotate keys regularly and delete any unused ones. Also, avoid enabling withdrawals on any API key unless absolutely necessary. You might encounter errors like timestamp for this request is outside of the ref window or API key invalid. These often mean you need to sync your system clock, check your permissions, or that your key has expired or been revoked. Binance enforces API rate limits to prevent abuse. Each endpoint has a weight. For example, calling your account info might cost 5 points. Your default limit is 1,200 points per minute. Make sure to space out your requests to avoid getting temporarily blocked. To recap, create your API keys securely, configure the right permissions, and use them responsibly. APIs open the door to automation and powerful trading strategies, but always put security first. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop your questions in the comments. Subscribe to the channel for more crypto tutorials and trading automation guides. Like the video if you found it helpful, and leave your questions down below. We answer every one.